Hello friends. In today's lesson, we will learn to be able to express ourselves in Kashmiri. This lesson has 7 parts. Let's start with part number 1. The first piece is basically ability to explain what is yours. For example, this is my house. You would say in Kashmiri, Yichu myon gar. Yichu myon gar. This is my room. And you would say in Kashmiri, Yichu myon kut. Yichu myon kut. This is my bag. In Kashmiri, you would say, Yichu myon bag. Yichu myon bag. And finally, if you have to say this is my locality, you would say Yichumyon Muhl. Yichumyon Muhl. Generally, the rule is Yichumyon remains the same, and then you have to use the right declination of the object that you are explaining. For example, cycle. This is my cycle. Yichumyon cycle. Computer. This is my computer. Yichumyon computer. And then you can make as many sentences as you want, provided you know all the basic nouns that we have shared in the basic vocabulary section of our channel. That's it. In the next lesson, we will talk about explaining things with the number of items. Until then, do subscribe to our channel and also leave us a message. Bye bye.